Why? Anonymous. I know a curious little boy who is always asking, why? Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not? Why by and by? He wants to know why wood should swim. While Eden marbles sink. Why stars should shine and winds should blow. And why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds. And why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills? And why the flowers die. He wants to know why fish have gills. And why boys cannot fly. Why steam comes from the kettle's spout. And rain falls from the sky. He wants to know why coal should burn. And not a bit of stone. How seeds get in the apple core. And marrow in the bone. He wants to know why ice should melt. Why spiders eat the flies. Why bees should sting, and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. Some of his whys are not too hard. To answer, if you'll try. But others no one ever yet. Has found the reason why.